Hi everyone, my name is Scott Linkring and I've owned my CPR training company, Hero for Life, for about 9 years now. Previous to this, I was in a totally unrelated field. I was a fitness trainer of all things, and I'd had that business for about 12 or 13 years. And I'd just gotten burned out in what I was doing, and I really was desperately looking for something else. And at the time, I had a friend that was in the business I'm in now, and I was looking at him and I was thinking, geez, he works half the amount of hours I do. He's making more money than I do. I'm going, this is a no brainer. So, what I did is I got into this business about 9, 10 years ago, and I've never looked back. Now, the one thing I had going for me was that I already knew how to run a business, I knew how to market myself, and all the things that go along with it. So, what I've done is I've made a guide on how to do exactly what I've done, how to start this business from the ground up, how to market myself, how to get myself out there and be a success at doing this. Now, I say this is only for people getting into it. Is also for instructors that have been in the business for a while but are kind of stuck on marketing themselves and thinking of new ways to market it. It's a gold mine for that, because a lot of the ideas I give in here, they probably haven't tried, and it's a big, big advantage for them. And plus, also with this guide too, I give a 90-day phone consultation. So when you do get this guide, any questions you may have regarding anything you want, I'm available 24/7 to answer your questions. So hopefully this answered some of your questions here about what's going on in this guide, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.